Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from JETBEAM. Now this here is their RRT0 Pro. Now I was sent this little EDC light from Flashlight Go. They wanted me to feature it here. This is a latest model from JETBEAM. Comes in this box. So wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in it. Oh, love this green. They asked me what color I wanted. I chose the green. Glad I did. So we're going to get everything out of the box. And it's pretty stuck down in there. Get everything out of here. Quite a bit of stuff down in here. A lot more than I thought there would be. So we have a certificate of approval. That means they quality check it before it leaves the factory. One warranty card. One little user manual. Now it's multi-language front and back. Now it looks like there's 3 levels. It's a little on the small side, so I'll go ahead and post them on screen for you. But this little thing can put out 1680 lumens. That's amazing. Now if you need more time to read those, only 3 outputs, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we're going to move along. Got 1 extra O-ring. This 1 lanyard. Nice size on that. One USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. There it is. And how compact this is. Now this is very familiar on other lights that I have of theirs that I've reviewed over the years. Now this is magnetic too. Can't stick it. Does have the battery in it. It's not going anywhere. Nice strong magnet on that. A lot of people ask me on certain lights you can use the clip itself for lanyard holes. I don't use lanyards on these smaller lights. RRT0 Pro. Now my understanding there's multicolored LEDs in this, but it's triple white LEDs. Can table stand that if you need. Style design on this is nice. I've done many reviews for many years for JETBEAM. They used to be together with another company way back in the day, but they broke up. A lot of heat sinking here on the head of the light. Now this is also a dial to change the level of the light outputs, which is really nice. So you can just hold it. A couple of other ones that I have, they're more of a ramping feature, but this doesn't have that. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the LEDs. Special optics, there are the colored LEDs. On the other side, those are the main special optics. They don't say what LEDs they're using. They are cool white. I love the green, it's my favorite color. And of course the machining and finish on this is nice as well. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the battery that it comes with. It does have a little protection piece here. You want to take that out. Here's the battery that it comes with, is a 16340. It does have the charging port built into that. Now you can use regular RCR 123As or CR 123s, which are just regular one-time use cells in this light. But this one here is a protected cell, 850 milliamp, which is going to be plenty for most applications, and this will do just fine. Nice, you can just use any 16340 straight contact plate there on the head of the light. Now let's go ahead and get this all back together. I got a green little light there. Let me know I'm ready to go. Okay, so now let's go ahead and go through the UI. We're going to go ahead and turn it to the lowest level. See the 3 LEDs, cool white. Here, turn it again, goes up. Take a look here at the beam. Really focused here. It's got a large area around that. That's spill area tapers off. Pretty typical for this type of special optics. And we're going to turn it again. That's the highest. Wow. That's a lot of light coming out of this thing. Now my understanding, to get the other LEDs to come on, you're going to turn it to the red, and then you're going to go back quickly. Now, I'm not too sure about that beam. It's like right dead center in the middle, but it's got crazy beam. Personally, I don't know if that's really usable for anything. There's blue. And red and blue strobe. And then you've got the red again. So again, not too sure about that beam pattern. Pretty strange. I think they could have done something a little bit different or better than that, in my opinion. But I do love the green. The main beam does well. And then right back off. Very simple and easy to operate this. Nothing difficult. Rugged construction. This thing, very nice, top-notch build quality on this. It's just those colored LEDs beam pattern is Nah, not very good. Well, let's wait no further. Let's take this RRT0 out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the little JETBEAM RRT0. We're going to go ahead and get started here. The lowest setting, of course, 38 feet to that water spout, and it is making 65 there. Let's go ahead and come over here so you can see the beam range. Let's go to the next level up. All coming from this little light. "138 feet. This little light's doing. Faintly making 238 feet, so that's impressive. 65 feet here. Now I have a link below my video showing my testing area, how far everything is. Let's go ahead and do the highest output of the white LEDs. Look at that spill. White LEDs are impressive. Faintly making those palm trees. Look at that. "238 feet behind that tree of life is making, got some pretty good range on this for its size and the way it's set up. We'll do a beam profile here and give you an idea. Now I'm gonna show you the colored LEDs. Now see how this is all, it's kind of hard to show it on camera because it's so, just, here's the beam way out the sides, edges. That's about as far as I'm going to show with this. It's not useful in my opinion. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Nice beam performance here. The white LEDs, very nice beam performance. Got some good range on it. It's just the colored LEDs, I really was not impressed with that. Too many, it's like the beams were just little spot beams at the very edge of the beam. That's why I showed it to you out there. Not really impressed with that feature on this, but the light itself and the main white beams, very nice beam performance. A very nice color. These come in different body colors as well, so if you want a different color you can do so, but if you're buying it for the color LEDs, it's not really recommended in my opinion. But if you're wanting a nice little powerful little EDC light, this does very well. Nice beam. The USB rechargeable on the go, of course, got to take the battery out in order to do so, but you can use any 16340 in there, throw it in there while you're charging the other one. You can do so. Even those CR123As, you can use those as well. One-time use. Once you're dead, throw it out, put another one in there. You can buy them, a huge package of them. Not too bad in price as well. Clip it on you, carry it on you. Nice clip here, very rugged. Well, I want to thank Flashlight Go for sending me this RRT0 Pro to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting and you need a little EDC light, remember this also has a magnetic tail, so you can hands-free it, stick it to a metal surface. If this is something you're interested in getting, remember it's a complete kit, comes with everything you need. I will leave a link down below this video in the description box. I'm also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, that'll be there as well, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these jet beams from Flashlight Go to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.